Supposedly, over 1 million people put down a deposit on a Cybertruck, $100 instant fundraising for Elon, and that meant a 3 to 4 year wait to get your Cybertruck, and that does not seem the case. So I was a day one reservation holder, but now I'm seeing on the Tesla forums people who are 500 to 1 million people supposedly in line are getting their invitations to configure, and that's because you get way less range, way more expensive. Those hundreds of thousands or million plus people that put down a reservation are going to pass. They're going to wait at least for the non-foundation series and save themselves at least 20 grand, or wait till the rear-wheel drive comes out that's supposed to be under $60,000 and get that, not pay 100 grand or 120 grand for the Cyber Beast. Or wait until they improve the Cybertruck, add a lot more range, especially with the Chevy EV Silverado having reported over 400 miles of range. And it has been reported that Tesla does have the room underneath to add more battery capacity to meet that. So this very first model that I'm a beta tester on, that I don't get a lot of the tech and a lot of the things I was promised, I'm paying extra to do that. So once they run through all the people dumb enough like me to pay $100,000 or more for the Foundation series, they'll lower the price 20 grand, and I will have an instant 20,000 or more depreciation. Realistically, if you can get this exact same truck, the same spec for $80,000, then wholesale will be 5-10 grand back of that, or more if demand really goes down on these things as Tesla is able to ramp up production, because their goal is to build hundreds of thousands of these a year and sell them. So pretty soon these will be all over the place if they can sell them. And at the current price point, not a lot of people will buy them, so they will inevitably lower the price to what they were supposed to be. So I bet by the end of the year, if I still had the Cybertruck, I would be losing $30,000, $40,000.